everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring a super handy feature in Odoo, the product catalog. This tool makes adding products or components to your sale order, purchase order, manufacturing orders, and more incredibly fast and visual. If you're tired of manually typing in product names, this is going to save you a ton of time. Let's jump right in. First things first. So, what exactly is the product catalog? Think of it as a user friendly visual interface, almost like a point of sale system that's integrated across many Odoo apps like inventory, sales, purchase, manufacturing, and repairs. It lets you browse and select products or components quickly, simplifying the creation of new orders, quotations, or even bills of materials. No more searching through long lists. It's all visual and intuitive. Nextly, let's see how to access the product catalog. Ready to use it? The product catalog is accessed directly from your various order form. So let's start with a sales quotation as an example. So if you go to your sales app, this is the sales app, and click new to create a new product, a new quotation, and look at the button section, the bottom section, sorry, of your form. Okay, so underneath, what you can find is a catalog. Okay, so you'll see the products, the quantity, and all along with that, you can see a thing called the catalog. Okay, so on this first blank line, you will see a catalog link and click that. So I'm going to click that. So before that, you have to specify the customer and all, otherwise, you can't click there. So the customer is chosen, and now I'm going to click on the catalog. And boom, the product catalog opens in a new dedicated page. Once the catalog opens, you'll see a clean card based display. Each card represents a product in your Odoo. Okay, in your Odoo system, which means your database, and gives you some key details at a glance. So here you can see a product. Let's take a product which is whiteboard pen. So you will have a product photo, the product title, and the product's cost. Okay, so which adjust whether you are buying, selling, or using it as a component. Okay, and its reference code is also there. Then on the other hand, you have the quantity also of the product. So here in the on hand, you can see the quantity of the product, and if the product has any variants, that can also be seen there. Okay, so that is also here. You can see the variants like legs steel, legs aluminum, color. You can see the variants given here. So that can also be found inside the catalog's card view. Okay, with many products, filtering is crucial. So the product catalog offers excellent search and filter option. At the top, you can use the search bar. Okay, to type in product names or codes. So I'll just add pen and search. So you can see all the pens there. You can see the expenses, like where this term comes, that is given here. Whiteboard pen, simple pen, all is also given there. Okay. So that's how you can search and find it. You can simply type the name and search for it. So to filter by product type, you can click the down arrow icon. So this one. And on the right of the filter bar, like on the right of the filter bar, you can see the arrow, and under the filters you can select what the services to show only service products. So here you can see only service products can be seen. Okay, or products for the physical items. So here service has been chosen. So I'll give you a pro tip. If you're configuring a sales or purchase order, you'll all see and in the order. See, this is in the order. We've we are right now configuring a sale order, right? So that's the reason why you can see in the order. So this is super useful to quickly see only the products you've already added to your current form. Okay. So right now we've not added any products. Okay. So I'm just removing the service. So you can see no products could be found. That's the reason why it doesn't show any. Okay. So on the left sidebar, you can easily filter by product. So I'll just click somewhere else. You can see the product's attributes and all. Okay. Based on product category and attributes, you can actually filter the products over here. Okay. So, adding products to your order is incredibly intuitive with the catalog. So, to add a product, simply click on its card or click the add button. So, you can see this add button. I'm going to add this simple pen. You can see one product, this is added, and you can add multiple products from here. You can choose multiple product at once from here. Okay. So, one until will it, I mean, it be added immediately. So you can see one unit is added. If you want to increase the units, you can simply click on the plus icon over here. Okay, the plus icon can be clicked. And the next thing is just keep clicking the product card and it will add units. If you just click on the product cards, you can see it will keep on adding the units. And if you want to remove it, simply click on the remove. That is a minus icon. Okay, so plus icon helps you to add one, minus to remove one. So if you want to increase the quantity, just keep on clicking on the card. Okay. Or for a specific amount, you can click directly into the quantity field and then you can type and give. I'm giving 10. Rather than clicking on the plus icon or the card for 10 times, you can simply type the quantity over here. Okay. Or even removal is possible just by clicking on remove button over here. Okay. So once it's done, once you've added all the products and quantities you need, it's time to head back to your order form. So if you go back to the order form, you can see simple pen, how many quantities has been ordered and all can be seen here. Okay. So here, yeah, as I said before, the product has been added. Okay. At the top of the catalog page also, you'll see a button labeled back to the, quotations reference number. So we've clicked there and we came back. Okay. So it will take you back to the original form with all your selected products and their quantities neatly added to the lines. The other important note is products will appear in the catalog and can be added to order even if you have 0 units on hand. So always remember to confirm availability to avoid any inventory inconsistencies or delays in your operations. Okay, and that's how easy it is to use the Odoo product catalog. It's a fantastic feature that truly speeds up your order creation process, making it more visual and less prone to errors. So if this video helped you streamline your Odoo workflow, please give it a like and share it with your team and subscribe for more essential Odoo tutorials. What other Odoo features would you like to see us cover next? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.